Hello everyone, so my name is Michael, part of the Gardening Guys channel. I'm mainly cameraman and editor, but I'm down here alone at the minute waiting for some other people to turn up. Some of you have asked what these are. Obviously you know what they're for. We've shown them in a video previously, in several videos actually. We have got a link of where you can buy these from. I managed to find them. I did ask Shane and he was like, I don't know, he's had them for a while. But there is a link for these. So I will be putting those, I will reply to the person that asked that question. And I'll put the link in the description for you so you can actually see it. But also, if you want to know exactly how we did this and what they're used for, we have got a video coming out. I think it's in the next couple of days on the Gardening Guys channel. So if you head on over to the YouTube channel, I'm stuttering. It's early in the morning. Head on over to the Gardening Guys YouTube channel, and you will actually see exactly how to get your tree to root. So we've got this one. And then in the video, it's in a time lapse. Shane did this one right here. And I think we've got a few more to do. So, yeah. I'll put the link for those in the description of the video, the YouTube video. So head over to YouTube and make sure you've got the video on Notify. And you'll know exactly where to get them from. We'll see you soon.